The good thing is that hundreds of villages, had access to clean drinking water even during the lockdown period. That gave us the biggest happiness. Apart from the water problem itself, there's a lot of water quality problem, and in India, if you see, a lot of areas has fluoride, arsenic, iron, nitrate in water contamination. And I used to think we have technologies to treat wastewater into clean drinking water, and why this so simple raw water and is not being getting treated and people are having problems. So the interest started from there. So I have two organizations basically. First is an Aquasophy Purification System Private Limited, and another is Aquasophy Rural Development Foundation. So as I said, the problem is there in rural, urban, everywhere, but I was particularly interested in the rural part. Normal water purification system is a highly person-dependent thing. Once you automate this process, the whole thing, it starts after a certain period of time, it would start its backwashing, it would do its flushing of membrane. So, it takes care of the quality of the water which is being produced, where people can come 24/7 any time of the day. So this is the whole thing of, the automation at different point which we have done. So if you see with the number of plants, we have an approximate around 500,000 people every day are getting clean drinking water from our water stores. So everybody is aware of the problem that is going in Syria, and there are a lot of refugees that are coming, have moved into Jordan and Lebanon. We manufactured the machinery here in Hubli, and then went and set up these machineries there. And these machineries are operational in these refugee camps. Well, now we have reached a stage. I see that even the remote, rural, or a tribal habitation where a small water store can be set up, and this can be self-operational. Solar-powered water store for tribal and small habitation is the one which we look, to be scaled up. This is a problem which I feel is not something which I can solve by myself. Want others to join and replicate that.